What is search engine optimization SEO? SEO is the process of optimizing your website visibility in search engines like Google and generating organic free traffic to your website. SEO is all about fulfilling users' search intent and creating relevant, high-quality content and providing the best possible user experience. Remember, the ultimate goal of SEO is to help businesses grow revenue and profit. SEO can benefit your business in 4 areas. If your website ranks in the top 5 on the first page, you will get 10 times more clicks than other websites, and you will get a high volume of visitors. SEO content is keywords and user experience focused content. It is optimized to rank most valuable and relevant keywords for the business and focus on delivering the best quality content for best user experience. That's why SEO content delivers high conversions. This is the power of search engine optimization. It is so much focused on a specific keyword to target a specific goal and deliver a specific outcome. Different keyword intent drives different types of conversions. There are 4 areas in the SEO service. On-page SEO is everything you do on your website. For example, creating content, articles, products, etc. Off-page SEO is everything you don't do on the website. For example, link building, digital PR, outreach, and driving traffic to your website from social media. Local SEO is optimizing your website for local search. For example, optimizing your website for a specific location like Dublin or Carlo. Technical SEO is working on the website's backend, ensuring your website speed is fast, setting up redirects and schema markup, etc. A SEO campaign includes all 4 areas. It also depends on what you want to achieve for your website. If you just want to rank in your local area, you need a local SEO service. If you just want to improve the quality of your content on your website, on-page SEO will help you with that. Or if you just want to build more links and increase your website domain authority, you are talking about off-page SEO. All 4 areas of SEO services are equally important. Keyword intent, also called search intent. If you do marketing for your firm, you probably heard about the sales funnel before. What sales funnel has anything to do with keyword intent? For example, informational keyword intent is at the top of the sales funnel. This type of content usually starts with what, who, why, and how to, etc. People are on the top of the sales funnel. They are not ready to work with you yet. They come to your website to search and learn about your services. Commercial keyword intent is in the middle of the sales funnel. People are already aware of your firm. They come to your website to compare, investigate your services. Transactional keyword intent is at the bottom of the sales funnel. People are ready to work with you. They have done all the research. They are very well informed and they know exactly what they want from your service. They are ready to contact you and talk to you about their problem. They believe you have the solution for their problem and you can help them. Local keyword intent is people searching for local service. They are searching in multiple areas for the service they want. 97% of people searching for local services. and local search on mobile have grown 500% in the last 2 years. You need to add keywords to all your headings on your website, especially heading 1. When you add keywords to your headings, search engines will understand what your website is about and rank your website with relevant search queries. Add keywords to descriptions. All your website pages has their own description. Add keywords to the description will inform users and search engines the relevance of your content to their search queries. Add keywords to articles. Add the keywords in the first sentence of your article. This will allow search engines to quickly understand your content and be able to present your content on the search results. You need at least 2 keywords in a 500 words article. For example, if your article is 1,500 words, you need to add the keywords at least 6 times. This will allow you to keep your content relevant to the keyword intent and match to the search queries. Add a keyword to URLs. Each web page has your own URL. You need to make sure it includes the keyword of that page. For example, if the page is about criminal law, the keyword criminal law should be in the page URL. So Google and users will understand that the page is about criminal law. It is very important to have a keyword in your URL. Search engine will understand your content by reading your URL and rank your page to the relevant search queries. Competitor analysis is a must-do part of SEO campaign. You need to study your competitors, what keywords they are ranking and not ranking, gather all their keyword ranking metrics. What services do they offer? What are the strengths and weaknesses? After finding out all about this, it will make so much easier for you to come up with the strategies to compete with them. You will be able to know which keywords you should target or shouldn't target. If you target the same keyword as one of your competitors who is already ranking top 5 on page 1, it is going to be difficult for you to outrank them. It is not impossible, but it will take you a longer time and a lot more effort to create much better quality content to compete them. That's one of the reasons why SEO takes a long time to see results. For instance, a solicitor offers criminal law service, and there are other 10 solicitors offer the same service in your county and hundreds of them in the country. It will take some time and effort to compete with so many competitors. The bottom line is, the more competitive in your niche, the more time and effort you will need to put into to see the results. Make sure your website speed is fast. Load less than 2 seconds. Google has emphasized that the site speed is an important ranking factor. Let me ask you, would you wait for a website to load after 10 seconds? You are watching this highlight bar on the top, waiting and waiting. It is almost there. It seems to take forever to load. Most people just give up and go to the next website. If your website loads slow like that, Google won't rank your website. It will send a signal to Google that your website is poor quality. So ensure your website loads fast should be one of your number 1 priorities on the list. There are a few things you can do to improve your website speed without any technical skills. Compress your images and videos before uploading them to your website. Use web format image, not JPEG. not PNG. Web image is the smallest file and suitable for websites. There are so many free image and video compression tools online. You can Google image or video compression tools, sign up to one of them, and most of them are free to use. Limit your fonts and animations to minimum if you can. Too many fonts and animations will slow down your website. You can change the font to various styles, make them look like different fonts. Many websites use animations to make their website more interactive. But if the animations make your website load slow, you are not getting any benefit from it. Use the animations where you can make the most impact in terms of engaging your visitors on your website. Google is very strict on mobile device speed, and it is difficult to optimize mobile device speed than desktop. So, if the animations slow down your mobile device speed, hide them on the mobile device and only keep them on the desktop. People will only see the animation on their desktop or laptop. Use a fast host server. If your host is slow, whatever how much you optimize your website, it will slow. If your website contains a lot of images, videos, and text content, you need to choose a host package that is suitable for your website. Talk to your website host. Ask them for suggestions. A lot of websites have Google Maps and Google reCAPTCHA security service. They can also slow down your website. If they do, hide them on a mobile device. There are so many website speed optimization tools on WordPress. Choose one that is compatible. Most of them have a free version. Some of them allow you to optimize up to 5 pages for free. This is one of the good things about using WordPress to build your website. You get to expose to hundreds of plugins. To test your website speed, you can use Google Page Speed Insight. It is a free tool. It gives you all the metrics about your website speed and suggestions on how to improve it. The last thing is you need to optimize your website speed after making changes each time, because everything you do will impact your website speed. So it needs to be optimized after each change.